When it comes to personal growth, one of the most powerful tools you can use is cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. Unlike abstract ideas or vague advice, CBT gives you a clear, step by step way to change how you think, how you feel, and how you respond to life's challenges. Whether you want to overcome fears, break free from limiting beliefs, or simply feel more in control of your mind, CBT provides a practical roadmap. The beauty of CBT is that you don't need to be an expert to get started. By following a few simple practices, you can begin reshaping your thought patterns, boosting your confidence, and moving closer to the life you actually want to live. Here's a straightforward process that almost anyone can apply to create lasting change. You can also use CBT as a great tool for overcoming fears and for generally changing the way that you think about things. While there are many different aspects to CBT, there is a basic process that most people can follow to start achieving more things and feeling more satisfied with their accomplishments. Step 1. Mindfulness. The process starts by being mindful of your current thoughts and reflecting on what you currently think on a regular basis. Which thoughts are destructive and potentially holding you back? What can you do about that? Mindfulness can be used as a form of meditation, while you can also use journaling, which simply means writing down the thoughts as they come to you or at the end of the day. Step 2. Thought challenging. This is the process of challenging your beliefs and thoughts, just like we did with the fear-setting process. Does your limiting belief really have any merit? Step 3. Hypothesis testing. Better yet is to simply test your hypothesis. Think you can't speak in front of that crowd? Think that you'll get laughed at if you ask that woman or man out? Then try it. What you'll find is that the reality is never as bad as you were worried it might be. Step 4. Affirmations. Believe it or not, affirmations and mantras can work when they're well chosen. Repeat phrases that undermine the negative ruminations in your mind, and eventually they can completely replace those beliefs. And there you have it. 4 simple but powerful steps you can start using today with CBT to change the way you think and feel. Remember, growth doesn't happen overnight, but with consistency, these small shifts in your thoughts will create big changes in your life. If you found this video helpful and want to keep learning strategies for personal growth, confidence, and mindset transformation, make sure to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. That way, you'll never miss out on the tools and techniques that can help you unlock your full potential. Until next time, keep practicing, keep growing, and remember, you have the power to shape your own reality.